pull out. Back straightaway, Landon Castle and Trevor Bayne. More involved.
Like Cole Whitt's involved.
Yellow number 7.
And a couple of busted radiators.
Radiators broke, Landon. Just jump out of it. Guys, let's head to the garage, see what we got.
Oh, looks like Jamie McMurray caught the left rear corner of Landon Castle.
Oh, yeah. Cole Whitt, nowhere to go right there. Yeah, the 21. I think the 21 must have run over something with the left front tire off of that, and it exploded then. That's what tore the fender off it.
Had to.
Or he could have just locked it up, and that's what blew it out.
Just instantly blew the left front fender off of that 21 car, Baines.